Here's how to make calls on your Apple Watch. Now, if you have your Apple Watch nearby and maybe you don't have your iPhone, you can always make calls on that Apple Watch. I'll show you exactly how to do it. So let's unlock the Apple Watch. And after we've done that, find the phone app. So there it is at the top left. Just open it up. And you'll be able to see here are my favorites. But I can also swipe up and I'll get to my contacts or my recents. I can go through here and call any of these. I can also tap on the keypad at the top right, and from here just manually dial it in. However, in this case, I want to, for instance, call Haley. I can just tap on it, and you can see just like that, it starts the call. I'm not actually going to call, so I'm going to end it, but you can start talking directly on your Apple Watch to that person. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave your feedback down in the comments below. I'm curious, was this legitimately helpful for you, or did I miss something and you're still having issues with your Apple Watch? Thanks for the feedback.